Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Premier Suites. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are free Wi-Fi, free parking and a non-smoking rooms. Premier Suites. This California hotel is located in Livermore's wine country and is 10 minutes drive from Bankhead Theater. An outdoor pool is available and spacious rooms include flat-screen cable TVs. Oversized desks with ergonomic chairs are included in all rooms. The bathrooms boast granite countertops with bathroom amenities. Guests can also use the 24-hour business center. The Lawrence Livermore National Laboratory is 10 minutes drive away. Concannon Vineyard is 4 miles from the hotel. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.